So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, having a little barbecue. It's overcast but still warm. We're going to have a fire later on. For the moment, have the barbecue and sitting here. Started my book. Very good, I'm very pleased with it. So there we go. So these, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just lighting the fire. Well, I've just lit the fire. Logs from home. Just lighting the load when we up the hill. There's not a bad little space, is it really? Well, it's nice and that. Is it nice that nobody else is here? I guess it is really. Well, for me it is. But you know, the hill, the laughter of children and the little trumpet calls of the adult. It's about 7:30. I was a bit about the fire because I feel like going to bed. Is there anything better than the world than an open fire? I love my log burner, but an open fire is much more. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. It's around about 9 o'clock and the embers are gone for a whole bag. We've got one bag left, we're going to for tomorrow. And there's nobody here. The tent, there's somebody's over there. But yeah. Quite lovely, really. Well, it's just about 9:10, ladies and gentlemen, and we've come into the tent. The fire's gone out. I set the fire a little bit too early, and it's gone out now. So we'll light it a little bit later tomorrow because I've got some more wood. I've got another bag of wood for tomorrow. But I thought I'd look at my little jigsaw puzzle. Now, I've got a set of jigsaw puzzles that I really love, but I haven't looked at for a long time, and I haven't done for a long time. There is a problem with them, though, that I think might be a problem for me now, because they're quite small. Here it is. Now, my jigsaw puzzle, until you see the size, when I put a pen in front of it. Yes, it's quite small, ladies and gentlemen. The pieces, let's open it up. Yes, the pieces are actually around about a centimetre. Can you even see them? Yeah, there you go. A centimetre square. So there's 210 pieces, but in a very small space, only about 20 centimetres square. Now the trouble is, even with my glasses on, I can hardly see them. I can hardly see them. I can actually see on the camera that it's actually pictures, but actually, without my glasses on, I'm just taking them off now, it looks like a picture. And even with my glasses on, it looks hard, but I decided I'm going to try to do this tomorrow. And I've got to do it because it goes back in the box, so I'm going to start now, I think. Here I go. I've got to be honest, I've already started to regret it. What have I done? It's good because it all fits into here. But now I'm going to try to put it back. You got a picture. This picture is actually quite interesting. This is actually I can't remember where it is exactly, but it's actually been used in quite a few films. And sometimes this bit here is being used as a harbour, and as if to say it's at the seaside, but it isn't. I can't remember where exactly it is though. Cotswolds, possibly? Not 100%. Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The first piece put together. So I'm just finding the edges, so I'm doing alright actually. I have got this trusty magnifying glass if I need to use it. We shall see. We're not doing too bad. Got the edges, still light enough. Haven't used magnifying glass yet, so all looking good. Well, that's the corners, but almost certainly some of those are wrong. This is what's difficult with these puzzles. They will fit into the wrong place until you actually get a bit further. So right, now comes the harder bit. It's getting a bit dark now, so I could use this light here, but this light is ridiculous. You ready? Holy shit! But is this one? Yes. That's quite good, isn't it? Magnet, you see. There we go. Oh. So these. Right. That's around me. Let's carry on. Well, this one's run out. Nearly. I've got another one out here. We might have to call it tonight. Go on tomorrow, but I've done too bad. I've got the Morgan car's nearly done. That's nearly done now, the Morgan car. But on the picture it looks like it takes up quite a large chunk of it, but in reality it's only around about 10 pieces of the 210. But yes. And tomorrow morning I should wake up and be able to find pieces and go, oh there, boom, 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 bush, bush, bosh. That goes there. So we shall see. But I haven't have to use the magnifying glass yet, what I'm quite pleased about. That was one of my look, there we go. Oh, action piece, you see, I just found that piece there. Action piece, and then go there. Part of the Morgan. Bing! Bish bosh. Bish bosh. It's the Morgan done. So yes. Now you might be thinking I'm going to turn off, but there are people who make a living from making jigsaws, puzzles on YouTube. Obviously, because I am me, I won't. So anyway, until tomorrow, I shall turn off the camera and leave this for another day. Here we are. We've got the fairy lights on. Yes, yeah, they are. There's the one over there. The other tent. So yes, here we go. They do actually twinkle now and again. They're on the sequence. They're not twinkling now. Yes, the fire's out. It's time for bed. There we go. And he's already reading. The sound of camping. I love it. Right, I'm going to my pyjamas. Good night, everybody.